there's nobody here to help me back up my truck to hook up my trailer. So you know what I'm going to use? A GoPro. Link it to your phone. Put your phone in your windshield. And you just set your GoPro right underneath. Just like that. All right. Should be able to see directly under so that your hitch lines up with your trailer. Awesome. All right, let's give it a shot. Welcome to the inside of my cab where I'm going to be backing my truck up to my trailer using my GoPro and my cell phone. I've linked the two already via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and for just purposes of backing up and checking this out, no need to record. You don't have a delay if you're not recording, so it's actually easier to back up and see what's going on without recording. So it's just a mirroring effect right now. So I'm not going to push record. I'm just using it as a visual. Let's get going. Let's try this. Okay. Small movements. Always want to do small movements no matter what with a trailer. Backing up, maneuvering. Have to reset. You're not having to get out of the vehicle to see where you're at every time. Lined up perfectly. Now this is a lot better than a backup camera on the back of your truck because it's only showing you the lineup of the hitch. This is showing you underneath the hitch. So that means the ball can be exactly where it needs to be. Okay, that looks pretty good. Not bad for a third attempt, just kidding. So let's see how well that lines up. Go. Easy peasy. It's my favorite word. All right, so once you're hooked up, lock it into place, put your chains on, electrical, and you're good to go. No help needed, just a GoPro. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of how to back up your truck into your trailer without a backup camera using a GoPro and your phone. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and all those things, and I'll catch you on the next tutorial.